Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to address the issue of a Harrier. When you are spending 22 lakhs on a car like a Harrier on a Tata, you just need to understand the points which are not acceptable from the Tata Motors. I'm a huge fan of Tata, no doubt. There is a huge difference between a fanboy and other thing. But when you invest your money, you should understand the pros and cons of it. See, first thing is the steering which you are getting. It is completely plastic. Kind of feels very cheap, like when you are investing. See the logo or with the positioning of the logo as well as the pad. It just feels like some truck steering. Like don't get me wrong, fans. Okay, many people love Harrier. Even I am the huge fan, so I own it. Okay, the reason I'm telling is just hardly about 500 rupees or 1000 rupees might be extra for a company or a service person, but they are not able to upgrade this. Now the problem with the upgrading, now I want to do a leather wrapping for this. When I'm trying to do leather wrapping, there is a issue. Like for instance, from here we can take a wrap. From this point we are not able to cut it off. Okay, we need a stitching, but unfortunately we need to open this panel. Okay, but the problem with the panel opening is the person who is going to stitch the leather wrap, right? Every person is not able to do that. Okay, in my case at least, I have tried in many places. They are unable to do this stitching here. They are just putting a band or putting a cover on the edge of the steering, and it is not completely acceptable, and it's kind of a very hard steering, and since I drive a Polo also, VW, and so the leather of the VW, if you are not able to expect here, at least we need some quality of leather, so that to hold the steering it should be a very good. And the instrumental cluster, you can see here, a problem with the instrumental cluster is when you are going to operate this, to put your whole hand till here just to set the things and all. Okay, there is a space here, there is a two spaces here, they could have done here itself. Okay, but in the top model or complete top model, this is a XT plus, let me remind you, one of the top model, but and it is a dark edition too. Still they have not given those access over here. And coming to another part, this on the co-passenger side and the passenger side, there is no vanity mirror. Okay, and small like car like a Swift, cheap Swift can afford a vanity mirror that is hardly about 25 rupees or 50 rupees bucks. The problem why I am addressing is from last 5 months I own it, and I am requesting the service person to replace my windshield with a vanity mirror and all, but unfortunately there is no stock at all. Okay, from 5 months I'm just driving without a vanity mirror at paying a 22 lakhs, friends. Okay, one another thing, that is the second thing. Third thing is the clarity of the camera. You can just see here, camera in the rainy season, it's completely waste of money. Okay, see, hardly you can visible something. Okay, but even though if I'm washing, if I'm cleaning it regularly, just few drops of water every time there is a stagnant over there or accumulating there, and it's unable to handle in the situation. And this bulky car does not have any 360 camera also, so it is very hard for us to maintain it or manage it in this condition. Anyway, it's fine, and this system is completely lagging, not in the every time, but most of the time it will be lagging out. And another problem I'm just showing here, the wind visors. Okay, see the throw, you can see there is no throw in the center itself. Okay, hardly on my left or right there is a little of throw, water throw, but there is no throw in the center or somewhere. See here, and some droplets are coming till my sunroof. Okay, or another thing is the mirror. Okay, this mirror is so small, the back, this is not at all auto dimming. First of all, that is a complaint. And from my behind there is hardly anything visible. Okay, that window is so small, back window, back black glass, you can consider the back side, we are unable to see anything while driving. You can see the area. Okay, so this is the main problem of the Harriers. Okay, make sure while buying you have to cross check, and when you are going with a manual, don't go with a manual, go with the automatic. You can see the hardness, you can see the pain, you can see the energy. Actually right now we are feeling much more smoother, maybe because of the video, I guess. When I'm looking into my own phone, I'm feeling it, but when you are handling it, when you are shifting from one gear to another gear, you can feel the heaviness. Okay, maybe because I drive a Volkswagen, I am feeling much more heavier, but reality is these are not very quality. And even the fit and finish, you can see the gaps. Okay, fit and finish of the car is not up to the mark. Okay, even some when you are holding this knob actually is so hard, you can see the energy I'm putting in that. Okay, it is not like going. If there is a elderly person sitting next to your seat or something, he is unable to open it, to be very honest. It should have the very high strength. अरे मजबूती है गाड़ी में, बहुत ज़्यादा मजबूती है, तो इसका दिक्कत ये होता है कि जब बड़े लोग बुजुर्ग बैठेंगे उनको वो महसूस हो सकेगा. And that is the one of the problem with the Harrier. Rest is fine. I like pretty much. And another problem, I mean, while driving more than 120, 130 speed, never ever try to take the car off road. I mean, from the road while taking overtake, if you are coming out of the road or something like that, if for instance there is the road and if you are going till there, I mean towards left and taking overtake at the high speed, car will take you to the another level. You know, it will just pull it off one side because of the all thanks to hydraulic steering. What happens, that will be directly connected to the steering. The pressure you can't handle when you just face from the road to off road. Sudden variation in the friction will give the instant response in the steering, and sometimes it shakes so hard. When I was new, I was freaked out what's happening with my car, because electrical stability steerings are different. Okay, because they have that ability to hold, and since I drive that and I was used to that, suddenly while shifting for this there was a issue. And this quality is very good, you know, this is soft touch and this is very good, no doubt. Only with the steering, and this is very slippery. Okay, this steering is not at all grippy, you know, because this is a hydraulic steering. We need to hold it very hard, okay, while doing in the off-road or something, but it is not able to support that level. Rest is fine. This instrumental cluster could be infotainment system could be much more bigger, but fine. We are to drive, we are not going to see any movies or something, right? It's fine with that. We should be managed with it. Hope you can understand the problems with it, and the sound system is absolutely fantastic. You can enjoy your drive. Hope this is a small information video. Many people who are going to buy or already purchased it. And one more thing I want to just add up. See, when it comes to stitching, right? Some people might comment, "अरे अच्छे वाले के पास जाओ ऐसा ऐसा." अरे मुन्ना, we have gone for the best of the best people. I've gone till Mangalore. Okay, Mangalore is a hub for the car modification. So don't get me wrong. This is the major issues. Major issue is means small things they could have upgraded. Even in the new edition, they did not upgrade. So I just want to make the video in the 2021 July, and this is the July 15th. Okay, so I just want to ensure people when I was making a video, and this is it. And other part of this car is fantastic. I mean, the strength, power, the sports mode is excellent. The moment you just shift to the this is just to better feeling, you know. And yeah, hope you like the video, and do subscribe my channel. All the best.